All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today, well, we're complaining about hack mechanics. Over there, I've got an Explorer that came from the Ford dealer, and it's got a brand new PCM, a brand new throttle body, and it sets all sorts of O2 sensor codes and a bunch of other codes. And well, let's start with, during my investigation, I found this wire right here, which is the power wire that triggers all the codes that are setting. Well, this is how it was, except there was tape around them. And they were still connected, but instead of fixing it right, all these wires were just twisted with electrical tape. That is not the right way to fix bare wires. It wasn't even a good tape job. It was the cheap stuff, that slimy, nasty, Harbor Freight stuff, not the 3M good stuff. Before I could diagnose the issue, which I still haven't actually, because it goes away, but because this is one of the wires that was important, which I have 12 volts on, by the way, it doesn't go away. But anyway, I had to fix this first, and I went ahead and just put a pigtail on it, because rather than depinning and repinning and all that stuff, put shrink tubing on it, I'd rather just not deal with this ghetto stuff. So if you're doing stuff like this, fix it right, depin it, or get a new connector, but do not just slap electrical tape on a bunch of bare wires. It just doesn't make sense. Fix it right. If you've got rodent damage, fix it. If the wire insulation's falling apart, fix it right. Dumping a bunch of cheap electrical tape at it and hope it stays good. Fix it right. Which, by the way, because I had to fix this, took time out of my day. I thought I had it when I had this wire, because I thought it was grounding to another one of these wires, but new pigtail on there, it's not, so unfortunately I got to keep going. But this was a diversion for me that I shouldn't have had to deal with, simply because somebody did some hack stuff. So don't do that. Thanks for watching. I am the flatratemaster.